Hi guys, if your LG Smart TV is showing you the 106 error code, it means that the TV is connected to Wi-Fi but can't reach LG servers. So in this guide, you will fix it with targeted steps that actually solve the problem. So on the LG Smart TV, the error 106 is not just not internet. It specifically means the DNS or the server connection failure. So your TV connects to the Wi-Fi but can't load LG services. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to go to the settings of your device. Inside the settings, simply look for the option of network. Then after inside network, look for the option of DNS. Then you can also look for the option of Wi-Fi and look for the option of advanced settings and come here inside edit. Now over here you need to first of all turn off the auto DNS option, and here in the DNS server you need to manually enter 8.8.8.8, and then this is going to bypass the faulty IPS DNS routing, which is a very common cause of the error 106. Now instead of just reconnecting, you just have to go to the saved networks, and here you need to remove your Wi-Fi completely and then simply reconnect fresh. The LG web OS stores corrupted network profiles that continue causing the connection errors even after reconnecting. Now you can also go to the settings of your LG TV. Inside the settings, simply look for the option of time and location. Over here you need to set the location and the time zone to auto. If your TV's time is incorrect, the LG servers may reject the connection. So all of these steps are going to help you solve the issue in most of the LG TVs quickly and reliably. Thank you.